Hi, I'm Caitlin, and I'm a Columbia State alum. We're so happy you're joining our diverse college family. I, along with other alumni and students, are going to show you around our beautiful campuses and the amazing facilities that are here to help you succeed. Let's get started. Welcome to the Columbia campus. I'm here at the Jones Student Center, the main student hub on campus. In this building, you will find admissions, records, and financial aid. Other offices you can find here include student affairs, student engagement, disability services, counseling, adult student services, testing services, and the Charger Center. We also have a newly renovated John W. Finney Memorial Library. We have thousands of books for checkout and plenty of accessible databases. The library features computers, printers, and study rooms. Make sure to stop by and visit Veterans and Evening Services, TRIO Student Support Services, the Tutoring and Learning Center, and our wonderful library staff.
Here, we're in the Wharf Plaza, a great outdoor space where we have lots of fun events. From Wharf Plaza, you can see many of our academic buildings that house our classrooms, labs, and office space. You'll also find our wellness center and gym, along with our athletic facilities and fields nearby.
Welcome to the Columbia State Williamson campus. I'm Jenna, a graduate of Columbia State, and I'm here to give you a quick tour. Students love to hang out in the courtyard between classes. From here, you see the Sciences building that houses our science labs and nursing courses, and the Sergeant Humanities building that provides a space for general education courses along with our film crew and anesthesia technology programs. You'll be able to complete all the necessary coursework for most of Columbia State's degrees and certificates at this campus. Here we are at the Administration Building. The first floor is a central hub for student services, including admissions, financial aid, and the Disability Resource Center. This building also features a library, study rooms, computer lab, tutoring and learning center, testing services, and the Charger Center North.
Welcome to Columbia State's Lawrence campus, located in the Southern Tennessee Higher Education Center in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. This is one of our 3 southern campuses. We also have our Clifton campus in Wayne County and Lewisburg campus in Marshall County. I'm Lauren, and I'm going to give you a tour of our new facility. On the first floor, you'll find our administrative suite, which offers help with admissions, advising, placement testing, and more, as well as our TRIO office. You'll also find our partnering university offices. On the second floor, you'll find our beautiful library, which has group study rooms, comfortable seating, and computers for student and patron use, along with friendly staff to help you with library services. At each of our southern campuses, you'll find friendly staff to assist you and can complete most Associate and Associate of Applied Science degrees and certificate programs through a combination of in-person, live streaming, and online courses.
That was a quick trip, and there is so much more on our campuses. So make sure to stop by to see it all. Welcome to Columbia State Community College. You're going to love it here.